currents. Today I discuss very short answer questions. The first problem, first very short answer question is here EMF in the primary circuit is 200 volt. EMF in the secondary circuit is 2000 volts. Okay. Number of turns in the primary is 10. Number of turns in the secondary is how much? This is the question. According to this question, we know that in the previous video, short answers I can explain. ES by EP equal to, we know that NS by NP. Here all values substitute to get the NS value. Okay? Next now. Next VSAQ none. Next VSAQ. VSAQ number 2 none. Look here. VSAQ number 2. 6 volt bed lamp. Which transformer use? 6 volt bed lamp. Which transformer use? Which transformer used in 6 volt bed lamp? Generally, Indian government supply house purposes 220. This 220 in the bed lamp, it converted into 6 volt. Here, high voltage converts into low voltage. So, we require step down transformer. Once again, I repeat. Which type of transformer used in 6 volt bed lamp? Step down transformer is used in here in the 6 volt bed lamp. VSAQ 3. Which principle involved in the transformer? Current passing in one coil, EMF developed in another coil. That phenomena is called mutual induction. Which principle involved in transformer? Which principle involved in transformer? Mutual induction. Only one word. Third question. Fourth question. What is the transformer ratio? Simply number of turns in the secondary coil by number of turns in the primary coil. This ratio is called transformer ratio. Completed. The question number 5. The inductive reactance formula, XL formula is omega L. In capacitive reactance formula, XC is 1 by omega C. Okay, 1 by omega C. Okay, this is the expressions for inductive reactance and capacitive reactance. XL formula omega L, XC formula 1 by omega C. Next VSAQ, 6th VSAQ 9. In the 6th VSAQ, for example, we know the phase diagram. LCR phase diagram, I, ER. In the previous video, this is EL, short answer. This is EC. Okay? Here, the question is, we take pure resistor here. In this situation, the angle between, phase difference between I and E. The first question, pure resistor in the situation The angle between I and V is both are same direction. Phi is 0. In the second question, the phase difference between pure inductor and current I and EL is how many degrees? 90 degrees. Once again repeat the second question. The phase difference between voltage and current in the situation of pure inductor. Third question is the phase difference between current and voltage through pure capacitor. How many degrees? 90 degrees. Okay? Next now. Look here. Pure resistor అయితే 0. Pure inductor, pure capacitor phase difference 90 degrees. Question number 7. Next nana power factor. Power factor. Look here. In the chapter power dissipation or power consumed in AC circuit, VRMS, IRMS, cos phi. This is the power loss or power consumed in an AC circuit. Here, power depends upon the voltage, power depends upon the current, power also depends upon the cos phi. So, here cos phi is called power factor. Once again, what is the power factor? Cos phi. Power not only depends upon the voltage and current, depends upon the cos phi. That's why cos phi is called power factor. Power factor. In the LCR circuit, cos phi formula R by Z. That's why power factor depends upon the resistance and also depends upon the impedance. What is the power factor? Power not only depends upon the voltage and current, depends upon the cos phi. Here, cos phi is called power factor. Power factor depends upon the resistance of the circuit and impedance of the circuit. Okay, impedance of the circuit. Next. Here Nana, next 8th question Nana, what is meant by wattless current? Next, the question is, what is the wattless current? Wattless current. Simply, look here now. Wattless current. Simply, current passing through the circuit. Current passing through the circuit. Here, power dissipation is 0. Power consumption is 0. Power loss is 0. Then these currents are called wattless currents. Once again I repeat. Wattless currents means the current passing through the circuit, power dissipation is 0. Current passing through the circuit, power dissipation is 0. Simply, these currents are called wattless currents. The best example, power formula tell me nanu. VRMS, power loss. IRMS, cos phi. Pure inductor. గుర్తుందా మీకు ఎప్పుడు x axis మీద I. Pure inductor EL. Okay. Here the angle between current and voltage, current and voltage is 90 degrees. Simply phi becomes 90. Here phi is angle between voltage and current. Simply cos 90 0, power dissipation is 0. Simply a coil is connected to the AC source, power loss is 0. అందుకే పూర్వకాలంలో 60 వాట్ బల్బ్ వాడేవాళ్ళు ఇప్పుడు ట్యూబ్ లైట్స్ వాడుతున్నారు. బికాజ్ ట్యూబ్ లైట్ ఇన్సైడ్ choke coil is there. Okay, look here. Next, here wattless current means the current passing through the circuit, power dissipation is 0. These currents are wattless current. Example, AC source is connected to the pure inductor. Next, in the LC circuit, the minimum impedance in the LCR circuit, resonating condition means simply impedance is minimum. What is the resonating condition? Resonating condition means the minimum impedance means total resistance is under root here r square plus XL minus XC whole square. Impedance is minimum. Its meaning is this value is 0. Simply XL equal to XC. When impedance is minimum, XL equal to XC. Simply inductive reactance equal to capacitive reactance, then impedance is minimum. Okay, next one. Problem number 10. Look here. In the problem number 10, what is the phase difference between voltage and current in the when the power factor in LCR series circuit is unity? Nana, the question is power factor is unity అన్నాడు. Unity అంటే 1. Here find phi అన్నాడు. మరి cos ఎప్పుడు 1 అవుతుంది? Cos 0. Here cos phi, cos cancel. Simply phi value is 0. Simply the phase difference between current and voltage is 0 degrees. Once again I repeat the question. Cos phi 1, find phi value. Phi is 0. Next one. What is the step up transformer? The question number 11. What is the step up transformer means low voltage to convert high voltage. What is the step down transformer? High voltage becomes low voltage. Okay, vice versa. Next problem number 12, last problem. In the number of turns in the primary by number of turns in the secondary is 1 by 2. Current in the primary is 4 amperes. Current in the secondary is how much? We know that current and number of turns is inverse. Is by Ip is Np by Ns. Okay? In the situation, number of turns in the primary by number of turns in the secondary is 1 by 2. Left side Is okay. Ip is 4. Finally, Ic is 4 by 2. 4 by 2 means 2 is to 1. That is the Is value. Okay? All of you, Nana, AC circuits, we discuss short answer questions and very short answer questions. because alternating current weightage is 2 marks or maximum 4 marks. That's why I discuss only all very short answer questions, all short answer questions.